There are 5 types of commonly used connector of ABS material. Be sure to use professional ABS industrial-grade glue when attaching the saddle. Let's punch another 18 to 20 mm hole. Then use ABS glue to carefully paste. Then let it sit for more than 10 hours to make sure it sticks completely. The second type, also make an 18 to 20 mm hole. And then hold it in place like this. Third, make the same 18 to 20 mm hole. And then fix it like this. Fourth, we need to punch a 25 mm hole in this place. Then press it in like this. Next, install these diffusers as follows. Fifth, make another 25 mm hole. Then press it in like this. Thank you for watching. We are Jinjep, a professional wastewater treatment product supplier with 15 years of experience.